All right, so the first thing I want to talk about is what is a niche and why do you need to be in one? So, a niche can be explained as a category. And as I said already, let's take the category of the health and fitness. So, health and fitness would be your overarching niche. And so from there, we always want to niche down and become very specific. Why do we want to become very specific? It's a little counterintuitive, right? If I said I want to talk to everybody, then you would assume that you get more customers. But the reality is, the more specific you become, the more targeted you are, and you're going to get the people's attention that you actually want. Because you really need to understand your customer. As an example, in the health and fitness niche, I could focus on nutrition. I could focus on a specific style of workout, talk about powerlifting, bodybuilding, yoga, CrossFit, biking, whatever it may be, Pilates. And so each one of those is a different niche. And the person who's going to buy every single one of those products looks very different from the other one, even though all of this is under the health and fitness niche. So, keeping that thought in mind, let's say that we went with that CrossFit niche. So, that CrossFit niche could potentially fall into that high ticket value ladder that I talked about in the last video, where you offer a free class. Somebody comes in, gets a free workout, and after that free workout, you can go and you talk to them, and now you can offer a membership. And a membership can be something like, you can come into just our more cardio based classes, or you can come into our more strength based classes, or you can come in to a more expensive tier that allows you to come into any CrossFit class that you want. And again, it could be something like maybe certain days a week, or it could be every day of the week. So that's how you set up that value ladder. And that value ladder can grow. You can have a meal plan that you offer, and that could be a couple $100. That's already pretty high ticket. And you can have a one-on-one where you can say it's a one-on-one program for 3 months or 6 months or something like that. And that could be very high ticket in itself. So now you've created a value ladder, and you also have a very reasonably priced way of bringing someone in. In this case, that reasonably priced is free. So understanding a value ladder and why you need to understand your niche is really important. So hopefully now you understand what a niche is. It's really a category, and within that category, you need to become really, really specific as to what you want to do. So the next thing that we want to talk about is a product. So how do you choose a product? How do you choose a service? Because it doesn't always have to be a product, it can also be a service. And I'm going to give an example, but first I'm going to tell you a little bit about what we're looking for. So we're looking for something that is either reoccurring or has the potential for higher ticket sales on the back end. Again, the example I gave with a CrossFit gym membership, or just becoming a member of that community, would be a very lucrative opportunity because there is a built-in value ladder. And as long as you get a commission from every single purchase that that individual makes, that really makes it a good product. So now let's take a moment. I'm going to show you a website that you can go to as a beginner affiliate marketer. And this is a good place to start. It's not where you want to stay forever, but it's a great place to start. There's really no barrier to entry. And so you can start doing this right away. So let's get to that. Okay, so this website is called clickbank.com. This is a really great place to start. As I said earlier, you want to go ahead and log in. All right, so here we are at clickbank.com. If you're new to this place, you're going to want to sign up. So after you sign up, you'll be able to get in. I'm just going to go ahead and log in. Once you go into ClickBank, you want to go to Affiliate Marketplace and look at all the different categories that we have, right? We talked about niches. Well, here they are. And we said that we were going to go into health and fitness. So let's go into health and fitness. Once you're here, you want to Instead of sorting by rank, sort by gravity. Essentially, what gravity means is this is how fast, how quickly are these products selling. And so the highest gravity here is 559. This means that this product is selling very quickly. We are going to look at a couple of these. So look at this one. Now, why do I not choose the very top one? I generally don't go with the top one because that means that everyone is doing it right now. And so I tend to go for the second. So the second one here, we see that gravity is 355. I personally like to see things that have a gravity above 30. So this is well above that 30 mark. Now let's take a quick look at this. It says that that initial conversion is $170. So this is what you would expect to get from a sale. And then the reoccurring, this rebill, is at $44.68. So when you get somebody to sign up for this product, this is essentially what you'll be getting if they sign up for the monthly service, and this is what you'll be getting when they initially make the purchase. So let's take a quick look at the product. Okay, so it looks like it is a weight loss. And so I'm going to keep scrolling down, see what else is going on here, see if there's anything else that we'd like to see. So we're going to leave the video playing there, and we're going to go back to ClickBank because I want to see what happens at the end of this video. And so I also want to bring your attention to this affiliate page right here because this is a big deal. Depending on what this has, we may or may not choose this offer. So let's click it and see where this takes us. Okay, so right away, I kind of like it. And why do I like it? I like it because it looks like we have campaign information, we have email swipes, we have banners, videos. Like there's a lot of things here that are going to be of service to us. So to explain to you why this is so important is because everyone who's here, they want to sell, or everyone who's in ClickBank, they want you to sell their product. And they're making it really easy on you to sell it by providing you with all these things. So let's talk about what is it that they're providing you with. So right away, in order to get some opt-ins, and we'll talk about opt-ins in a little bit, they're providing you with free ebooks. So look at that. You get 4 different ebooks that you can give away to trade this ebook for somebody's email address. That's really important, and this is a big deal. I don't actually see this from a lot of different programs, so this is very valuable. Now, right away, we can see that what is being sold here looks like some information about dieting, and this looks like a weight loss pill. So again, good to understand what it is that you're selling, because if this doesn't align with your goal, if this doesn't align with what you want to push, then you know this is not the product for you. Now, the other part of this is there's commissions. So you get 75% on the commissions. So that's super cool. They tell you your CPA, they tell you your EPC. Campaign information. Let's go take a look at that. So they're saying proven results, high conversions, but this is what's important, because if you're going to run ads for this product, you want to understand what you're going to make those ads towards. The demographics is very important. So you can see here that you want to make your specific campaign targeted towards women. You want to be between 25 and 65 years old. I guess in the United States, there's a lot of conversions, followed by Canada and the United Kingdom. This is more the device that comes in. And then here's a great way to understand the upsell, right? So if they purchase 1 bottle, it's going to be $69 and you're going to get 75% of that, so on and so forth. So you very quickly understand
how it all works. And the cool thing and really important part of this is that you get to see that you make money on the upsale, the downsale, the other upsale. So you're making money throughout their whole funnel. That's a great thing to see in a product. That's exactly what you want. Again, Facebook audience, you can download that if you want to run ads right away. You'll be able to hopefully be profitable day one because they're giving you all the information of how you're going to want to run those ads. So now let's go back. Hop links and pixels, this is the links that they'll give you that you'll have to use. Email swipes, another thing that's really important. I can't stress how important this is. Why? Because when we talk about the email autoresponder, you're gonna see that you need to make these emails. And it's really nice when someone already did the heavy lifting for you. Someone already wrote the email for you. You just copy it and you paste it onto your autoresponder. Obviously, you would be replacing this with your personal link, and this is the subject line. And these are all emails that this company has tried and they know that they work. And so that's why they're giving them to you. Again, they want you to make money because if you make money, they make money. And this is actually really great. I mean, they've got 11, 12, 13. How many do they have in total? 20 emails total. That is huge. That's a lot of free information that you're getting and stuff that you no longer have to worry about or do. Banners, for those of you that want to do Google ads and advertise that way, they're also giving you all these different banners that you can put in there, even a video, so that you can run ads. Again, just really helping you out. And see, this is what I mean about a really good product to sell. So even product images, there's all the product images. And again, because they're providing them to you, you are welcome to use these in any of your advertising campaigns or anytime that you're trying to promote this particular product. They even have testimonials. Again, great stuff. Look at that. We can see testimonials. This is great. This is a really good product. This is definitely a product that I would say they did their homework and they provided you with everything that you need to be successful. So, you know, no need to go any further. I would say that that is the product that we want to go with. So let's go back to that video and see how far along it is. By the way, this is probably the one thing that I dislike about the product so far is that there is no click here to move forward. It looks like you kind of have to wait for the video to end before you can proceed. And so that's so far that's the only thing about this product that I dislike. So I'm going to pause the video here and we're going to come back when this is over. All right, so the video is still going, but they went ahead and triggered the packages that they're selling. So now we can see that here they're selling at 69 a bottle, 49 a bottle, 59 a bottle, different values if you buy different packs. And so a total of $69 or 177 or 294. And they're giving free shipping. You can see here that they go into the members area that you get for free. You get these favorite recipes for free. Remember, this is the ebooks that they gave us as well to give away for free. So good to keep in mind. It means that you can get that started by providing a free book in your opt-in page. They've got testimonials here. Again, a little animated button to make you click. 100% satisfaction or 180-day money back guarantee. This is always great because it allows people to have trust in the product and want to give it a shot because they know they can get their money back. So yeah, some frequently asked questions. So now we have a really good understanding of what the offer is and how it worked and how it broke down. A really quick note on the video is the video went into the hero story. And so I'm going to address the hero story and when we get to traffic, but it was yeah, it was there. It was a well-made video, maybe a little long for my taste, but it's there, and we got to see the end of it. I also noticed that there was a transcript button, so I clicked the transcript button, and you're essentially able to see that whole video transcript, and at the end they also have clickable links where you can buy the vials or the bottles of pills. All right, well that takes care of this part.